Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change wallpaper on Redmi 15C. So first of all you have to hold on the home screen on the blank space and go to wallpaper. In this section you are able to find wallpaper that you want. So let's take this cat for example and click apply. Now you can set this only for lock screen, only for home screen, or set as both. So let's take set as both. And now as you can see, wallpaper is applied. I have this wallpaper. Also, if you want to set your custom image from the gallery, go to gallery, open picture that you want to set on your wallpaper and click on this three dots in the bottom right corner. Go to set as wallpaper, click allow, and now you can click apply in the top right corner. You can select here also only for lock screen, only for home screen, or both. And now, as you can see, I have my wallpaper from the gallery. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.